My name's Norm Davis. I started collecting toys about 20 years ago. I spent years researching the different accessories. All these groceries were original to it when they sold it to the child. I enjoy reading about them. I enjoy seeing the pictures of them. And the more I look at them, the more I wonder who played with them, how old they were. Mark's old jalopy. It is the only toy that I have from my childhood that my dad found and we saved. Anyone coming in would get that same enjoyment by just, looking and seeing all the different toys. I mean, who doesn't love toys, right? And Christmas time seems to be the time where everybody just enjoys this kind of thing. And everybody is more interactive and more social and more loving.